In this video, I will explain you Hygen's wave theory. So in the last video, I have explained you what is wavefront, what is direction of propagation of wavefront, and what is array. Now, in this video, I will explain you how a wavefront is being propagated. So this is done with the help of two postulates. One is every point on the wavefront become a secondary source of light which produce wavelet of light having same speed, frequency and wavelength. For example, we have a power source here, light source here. Now this light source has created a wavefront here. Now as per this postulate, every point on the wavefront, so three-dimensionally it would be a sphere, right? So every point on this wavefront can act as a source of secondary wavefront. So if this is a point, this will create a wavelet. This will create a wavelet. So in the same way, a source has created a wavefront. Now the primary wavefront, this is the primary wavefront, that will create a secondary wavefront. So this will act as a source of light and will create a wavelet. This is next source of light, wavelet. Next source of light, wavelet. 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 This is the meaning of it. Is little bit difficult to understand conceptually, but see, this is what happening. This is what Hygen has told. So a power source has a light source has first created a wavefront. Now this wavefront is creating the next wavefront. How? I will tell you how next wavefront is created, but anyway, each point on the wavefront will act as a secondary source of light. A secondary source of light. This is the primary source. Now each point on this wavefront will act as a secondary source of light. And now if this is a light, just imagine a light bulb is placed. This will send wavefront around it. Okay, so this is a wavelet. So we have two sides here. One is backward, that is now we know that the wavefront is being propagated in this direction. So with respect to this, we have one surface which is forward, that is above this. These are in forward direction and these are in backward direction. We have to eliminate the backward direction. Okay, so that is covered in the next point, that at any given time a common tangential surface on this wavefront in forward direction. Now this is wavefront, we need a common tangent. See, I can draw a tangent here in this way, but this tangent would not be a tangent to the next wavelet. This won't be a tangent to the next wavelet. See, these are passing through the circle. So this is not a common tangent, this is only tangent to this wavelet. I need a tangent that is common to all the wavelet. How can I draw it? One tangent, another tangent, another tangent. See, now this is a common tangent. This circle or this sphere is tangent to all the wavelet. I can also draw a tangent in this way, inner. But does this cover under the second postulate? No. In the postulate, it is given only wavelet in forward direction. So this have to be eliminated, this have to be considered. So this is the secondary wavefront. This common tangent in the forward direction forms a new wavefront, and that is secondary wavefront. Now what will happen? This will act as next source of light, and that would be sending wavelet in all the direction. So each point in the secondary wavelet will become a source of light, and that would send wavelet. Again, second point, a common tangent to all the wavelet in forward direction will give a new wavefront or will form a new wavefront. See, from this wavefront, this is being generated. From this is being generated. Now from this will be generated. Now from this would be generated. How this is done? This is done with the fact that each point in the wavefront will act as a source of a secondary source of light sending wavelet in all the direction, and common tangent to this wavelet will in the direction of propagation will form in the forward direction will form a new wavefront which is called a secondary wavefront. But anyway, this is how it is being generated. See, a wavefront, this create next wavefront, this create next wavefront, and wavefront is now being propagated in this direction. So this is Hygen's principle. This is the most important concept for the chapter wave optics. Okay, thank you.